Welcome back to my avenue, guys. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Madeline, and if you're a returning visitor, hi guys, welcome back. And please, if you are new, do hit that subscribe button. I really do feel like you clicked on this for a reason, so like you might as well just stay. Do you feel?
Lows. It's that AC music again. Hola.
Anyways, if you guys have seen the previous makeup video that I did, I tried Fenty Beauty new lipstick, and I did Uncuffed before, and today I will be doing Unveil. The reason why I'm doing separate videos is because I wanted to do two whole different looks. Like, I just didn't want to do a neutral look that would go with both of them. I wanted to do something very different for the two lipsticks. I honestly cannot wait to try Unveil. I really love brown, you know, lipsticks and all that kind of stuff, so I'm very excited to try this. If you have not seen the previous makeup video I did while trying the new Fenty lipstick Uncuffed, please do check it out after you watch this video. So I'm just gonna get right into it, and we're gonna start with my eyes, well, my eyebrows. So I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. brow pencil to draw my brows. So if you haven't seen the previous, well, I really do hope you guys go check out the previous video where I tried Unveiled. I talked more on there, but I will try my best to talk in this one as well. So I'm just going to draw my brows. I'm just going to brush through it. I don't really like thick brows. I like my brows to look natural. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in with that. And as I said, guys, this is like a makeup journey, so I probably will not be the best at everything that I'm doing right now, but hopefully years from now I'll definitely look back and spot the difference when it comes to me doing makeup. Okay, so now that I am done with lining my brows, I'm going to go ahead and use my concealer, the MAC concealer and the Morphe concealer brush. I'm going to blend my eyelids. Before I do that, I'm going to apply my eyeshadow primer, because that's my eyeshadow is what I'm about to do. I'm going to go in with my 24K Nudes Maybelline eyeshadow palette, and I will be setting my base with this shade. The next thing I will use is this. So the next thing I'm gonna use is this gold eyeshadow here. Guys, I don't know what I'm doing. If you watched the previous video, then you know that I freestyled what I was doing, and that's the same thing I'm doing right now, and I just hope that it comes out well. Okay, now I'm going to get sellotape to do my eyeliner. Guys, you know I forgot to wear my contact. The thing is, I knew that there was something missing. I was like, what's missing, and I wasn't wearing my contacts. Can you imagine? Can you just imagine? But anyways, I have my tape here. So I'm using my Maybelline New York Master Precise eyeliner. Okay, so I'm done with my eyes right now. I'm gonna go and move on to my face. I will start by priming my face with my MAC Prep and Prime. So before I apply my foundation, I'm going to go ahead and highlight or just clean up like the top part of my brows using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation and my concealer brush. This is very good to do so that when you're actually applying your foundation, you don't necessarily need to come close to your eyebrows and just mess things up. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation using obviously my Maybelline Fit Me foundation and my beauty blender. And the tip for those of us who have oily skin, I have seen that it is good to spray your setting spray on your beauty blender and then dab it on your foundation and then apply to your face, because it helps mattify the foundation and it also helps hold it so that it can reduce, you know, your face from getting oily.
Come and see it from my view. Tell me, baby girl, do you like my coolness? Yeah, my coolness. Yeah, my coolness, baby.
So now that I'm done with my foundation, I'm going to go ahead and conceal, and I will be using, well, highlight and contour. Yes, I'm using my Lego Pro concealer and my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 380. This is just the shade above my foundation shade.
Call a friend to tell a friend, let them all come around, let them reach my ends. Hope you know we know the fear, like an island boy looking for a shit to sell. PS4 and SK, a nigga's best friend on a fair play. A little freestyle on my recorder, when I'm high things like this, it make me no bother. Yeah, my cool.
So I always find that like blending in my concealer using my beauty blender is one of the hardest things. So I always just try as much as possible to blend it in using, you know, the brush before I use my beauty blender, just so it would be easier.
Smoke up, like you told me, boy, I wanna go down. Me never seen no one like you.
So I'm going to go in with my beauty blender and just blend everything out. I find that like just blending in general I have a problem with, and I feel like in the last video I did way better than what I usually do, and hopefully in this video I'll do much better than the last one.
Cool it, baby. Oh, my cool it. Yeah. Me never seen no one like you. You never seen no man like me. We can have very good fantasy. I can give you my energy. You know that's best, I make you talk to your heart. Oh, like too much, we just like to feel.
Okay, so now that we're done with that, I'm going to go in with my pressed powder and just press a little bit on the highlight. It is my Maybelline pressed powder in the shade 330. That's the toffee caramel, And I'm just gonna go with my beauty blender and dab. And the reason why I do this is just so it can mattify my face, can give me this matte look, and also just, you know, press the highlights in a little bit more. The next thing I will do is to use my Laura Mercier setting powder to set my face, to set the highlights, and then I will use my sleek contour kit to set the contour. So to really blend everything in, I am going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me loose finishing powder to just, you know, bring everything in, you know, just bring it home. I'm going to go ahead and use my setting spray. So the next thing I'm going to do is to put blush on my face. And after I put my blush, I'm gonna go ahead and put my highlighter using the Sleek Contour Kit and a highlighter brush. And then before I put my lipstick on, I'm going to do my mascara. And I'm going to be going in with my MAC False Lash Extreme mascara in black.
Bond.
I don't know why something must always happen when I'm putting on mascara. Like, I really thought we had a good run here, guys, but sorry. Pumped up mascara from Maybelline just to add more volume to what I already have.
Can never be alright, 'cause you're not right with it.
Now we can wear the Fenty Beauty Unveil. Guys, I'm so excited. I love brown. I love brown. So this is it. Let's see.
And I know that I'm better off without you, girl. Mi ò lè bá ẹ jáde, mi ò lè yà sí ọ̀nà. Mi ò lè bá ẹ jáde, mi ò lè bá ẹ sọ̀rọ̀.
Guys, I love it. I love it. I love it. Ah! This is so beautiful, guys. Oh my goodness. I love it so much. Let me just, yup. I love it so much. Okay, let me stop looking at the mirror. So this is it. I'm just going to take off my scarf and I'll be back with you guys in like 2 seconds. So guys, I am just going to finish up by just brushing my brows a little bit, just to, you know, arrange everything. And then cleaning up the mascara, the part that, you know, went off. I don't know if you guys can see it here a little bit. Okay, and then spray my face for the very last time.
Bond on the feet.
And then let it dry, let it dry, let it dry. Come on. Guys, I love it. I love it so much. I honestly didn't think I would get this good this quickly, but like, I really like how I have been doing makeup lately. I love how much everything is blending in. I just love it so much. And I love my new eyes. Well, they're not new eyes, but I just love my contact. So yeah, this is it guys. Please, if you did like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. So guys, I'm doing this new thing where like I talk throughout the whole video. Like I try as much as possible. Like before I would be quiet and just like fast forward through everything, but like now I'm going to be like talking more. So if you guys like that, let me know. And also let me know what else you guys like to see on my channel. Like if there's something that I have posted and I haven't posted about it in a very long time, let me know if you'd like to see it in the comment section below. If there is something that I do not have on my channel but you guys would like to see, let me know also. And if there's something that I have, and if there are things that I have on my channel that you're like, I don't think you should do anymore, but just, you know, let me know. Like you guys should be like open with me. Feel free, like just leave your comments below. And then if you're too shy to do that, you could always DM me on Instagram at Madeline__Ben, on Twitter at Madeline_Ben, and on Snapchat at Madeline_Ben. I am trying as much as possible to be more social with you guys and keep you guys in tune with what is going on in my life. I rarely post, but you know, I will do my best to be posting like every single day. Yeah, so yeah, this is the final look guys. I really do hope to see you guys in my next video. Do not forget to get you some Fenty Beauty, Unveil and Uncuffed. I love both of them. I honestly did not think I would like the pink as much as I did, but guys, I love it so much. And I also love this shade as well. It's just so beautiful. I love it. I just love it so much. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I really do hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.